Is it recording? Alright, once again. Alright, so now, no. Okay, good grief. Go away. Here we go. Okay, here we go. It's what? 10:56 March 2021. Okay, it shows there on the thing. Again, it's, you know, that time I just said it, you heard me, right? So there it is. Alright, so, okay. I was just throwing away the previous box and all its packing, and I was outside and the FedEx guy was out there. He wasn't supposed to be here till anyway, so let's see, put the scissors in the pocket. So we are only prepared to really, oh my god, this is heavy. So this is, I'm going to open this from the bottom. Maybe it'll be packaged better or something, I don't know, just that's because the address is on top and I need to show that to the world. Okay, great, so maybe I don't have to go through all that. This one's packed a bit tighter. This should be, I can't remember one. There should be 4 in this box. Alright, so good. And then got a bottom packing bubble wrap. And yeah, we can just, there we go, great. There's a red one, right? There's a red one, that's not the one I was trying for. Here's oh wow. This is okay, this is kind of sort of the one I was going for. It's that model in the box. Here, I'll bring this up to you, you can't really see it too well, but it's this model in the box, okay? So it's a boxed deal. Put that right here. Then we have another red one. I can't remember if this is the red one I was going for, but it's red, okay? And we'll just get to that in a moment. Alright, and then, what else? There should be one more. Yeah, here we go. Here's another Iowa. Uh-oh. Yeah. Somebody wants to message me. Well, I'm sorry, I'm making a YouTube video and shooting a whatever. So here's this. Right, so there's a bunch of interesting packing material. Okay, so we will just put this over here. Alright. Then put that over there. And then this one here. Scissors, box. Okay. So we'll just jump right to this one here. Okay. So this is a who knows? I don't know, just put it there. Okay. And this one's a cut down box. You can tell because it's folded over here. So, and this one is you know, pretty lightweight, easy to handle. This one will only have one boombox in it, and then Walkmans. So it's like, well, there we go. So now, yep, great. So now that this is a cut down box. And we got a, wait, we got a box inside of a box. How about that? It's double boxed. Fabulous. So, nothing here, but, oh, I take that back. Here are the Walkmans, alright, so. Alright, so there are the Walkmans, great. I almost threw the box away. Okay, so there's that, here's this, alright. That. Alright, so now, let's see here. So what's in the big box? Nice box. May keep recycle this box because it's like that. This. I hope I turned that camera on. So that, this, that. And here, okay, whippy jawed in the box is a good grief. Is a, can't really tell, but I think this is the one I was going for. Let's see here, let's unwrap this one here. So we got everything unwrapped, right? We just got a room full of, oh yeah, this is the iOS CSR1. I had one as an R10, but this is an R1, okay? So there's a slight difference, I think, in the thing. The reason why I got this one, because this one is a single deck, auto reverse, that has dual motor operation. So meaning you really only need to replace one belt or maybe two for the counter, but the rest of it's gear driven. But it's a very nice deck and hard to come by, hard to find. They just don't sell them anymore. You know, they hard to find anywhere, period. So, but here is, and you know, everyone's going for the really big things. Like, well, anyway, I like the really small things here because it's just me, and I want to play my cassettes. I don't need to entertain the whole world. Okay, so yeah, this is a little shiny, but voila, now that's red. Okay, yeehaw. Okay, smells like plastic. Yep, it's clean, very good. Okay, so, and this one has the, this is in English. Oh goody, it's in English. Goes to 108 on the FM dial. Very good. Does this open? Oh yeah. We're going to fix this puppy for sure. Alright. Okay. We're not going to fix it right now though. So we have this guys here to fix that. Okay, so, oh, and we got the Walkmans, that's right. What kind of Walkmans did I get? Normally haven't bought Walkmans in a while, but this is such a deal, I thought. It's like, let me just snag this. So here's the first of 4. Oh, this is all the power supplies and doohickeys. Alright, well, I've never seen a power supply or batteries. This is what those are. So here, I'm not going to get all into that because we could be here up there describing all that. But here are here's a pouch here's a pouch with no name. Okay, great. Then we have 2 Walkmans together. We have a, we don't know. So we have a, ooh. Here's a Sony WMR202 with the great big window. It's a recording model. It has the little, you know, the attachable deal like that. We're not going to play with that now. We'll just need a place to put it. There's put that there. Right. Then we have a, I didn't really want this, but this is a nice one too. This is a oh, this takes a, oh no. Okay, this one I'll sell right off the bat because this takes the remote control deal. So you got to have the remote control headphones to make this thing work. So, and that hides by that. But what is this? This is a EX999. Right? Didn't really want this, but it came part of the package. I really wanted the recording model, which I've already got there. But there was one other one here I thought that caught mine. I don't remember what it was. It was probably one of these two here. All right. Oh, I know what it was now. It's the toaster one. The one that loads the cassette toaster style, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, this one here. Okay. This one. And then I already have one of these, but I have another one now. So this is the Walkman EX631 with the speed control for the cassette. You know, it's blue, but this is one of these. How is this? Well, okay, I have one of these in silver. This is the gray model, but this is the toaster one, which when you open it, it opens here at the top, and it flips open and shoots the thing out the end like a toaster. Okay, so anyway, so yeah, so okay. Well, I have, like I said, I have a gray one and I have a silver one. Okay, all right. Well, it'll be easy to repair these. Okay. Matter of fact, I already have the belt for that one. Bought it from Fixture Audio, which is that guy and a comb. Okay. And I just gotta put all this stuff, get this all stuff out of here. All right. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I had too much fun. I wasn't planning on having to do all this, but I'm glad I got it over and done with all in one shot. Okay. So is there anything in here I want to save? We'll save this. We'll save this. We'll save that. We won't save these. I hate these things. We will save this one. We will save this one. That's reusable. Okay, great. So that, and that. And then, all right. So we'll save that. Save that. I'm not going to save that. Use that. This flat stuff I can use. All right. Fine. I'm just wasting your time now, just watching me go through. Oh yeah, there we go. That's good stuff. Okay, good. So, yeah, we'll do this in a moment. I gotta keep moving. Oh my God! And then we're gonna trip on our own foot again. Oh my God! I gotta get up with this foot, and I'm already gonna fall over. I can tell. Okay. All right. Yeah. So. Okay. I have this. All right. Let's just take the shoe off. See, we got our handicapped foot here. Just, that's all it is. Okay. So, hope you enjoyed. I got a. Okay. So we can turn this one off. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and all that. And power off.